You have a golden Mercedes-Benz.
Yes.
And then you have a Porsche in Abu Dhabi.
No, it's wrong. The Porsche in Dubai.
In Dubai? Oh,
Yeah.
sorry, in Dubai.
No Abu Dhabi. Please, be careful now.
Oh, yeah, okay. Are you rich? You have money.
Say it. We love money.
I want to ask you something.
I'm
I want to ask. No, really. You ask me like question. I don't know. It's benefit for the people if I have money or I don't have money. Really, like to be honest, I was surprised that all those stuff and people writing in the news, I am rich, I am poor. If I was sitting at home and don't do nothing, they will say, see, he's a foreign, he don't do nothing, he getting money from the government. But if I do something good, I working for the city, I'm bring Finland global around the world and doing all good stuff. Even it's not good for them. So that way it's not good, and that way it's not good. So what you want me to do?
Well,
you know,
we are
really?
jealous people in every way.
Really.